Hi everyone. All right, today's word of the day is see. See, let's read this word of the day right here. All right, my turn. The word is see. Your turn. The word is good. Let's spell see. I'll spell it with you first. Ready? S-E-E. Fantastic. Now you spell see. Great job. What's the word? See. Fantastic. So our word of the day today is see. We have gone through almost all of our sight word choice board options. We have learned to write it 5 times on a whiteboard. We have done the rhyme time. Yesterday we learned we and be rhyme. What else rhymes with we? Good. See. Do we and see rhyme? Yes, they do. Of course they do. Awesome. And yesterday we did the pyramid writing with we as well. So we are going to look today we're going to look at pyramid writing, how to write in a pyramid. So I'm going to do it on my whiteboard. I'm going to make my video kind of big. Look, there I am. Hello. I'm going to get rid of this. You don't need this in my hand. I always come home and I have like expo marker hands. Okay, so our word of the day is what? What's our word of the day? Oh, yes, see. So I'm going to use my best handwriting to write the word on my whiteboard. And you can do the same on your whiteboard, or if you like paper too, that's fine. If you take an expo marker, you can actually write on the window, and that's super fun. I love writing on my windows at home. I think it looks super cool. Make sure you ask your mom and dad first. Don't tell them your teacher said you're good. Okay, ready? So I wrote the word see. Now, pyramid writing, we are going to write the word, but we're going to do it in a pyramid, and we're going to add a letter each time. So let me show you what that looks like. What is the first letter in the word see? What's the first letter? S. I'm going to write the letter S all by itself. What is the second letter in the word see? What's the second letter? E. Very good. So underneath my S, I'm going to write both S and E. Underneath that, I'm going to write my third letter. What's the third letter? E. I'm going to start with my first letter and my second letter and my third letter until I get all the way to the bottom. And look at that. It makes a pyramid. Not like a lopsided pyramid, though. Like a pyramid about to fall over kind of a pyramid. But it makes a pyramid, and that is how you do pyramid writing with your sight words. Now, we are supposed to do this 3 times with our sight word. So with see, I just did it once. I would do it again. You can either erase and do it all over, or you can do it next to it, whatever you have room for. So I'm going to do it right here. What's the first letter in the word see? S. What's the second letter in the word see? E. So I'm going to do C, E. And the third letter? E again. C, E, E. Oh, this one doesn't look super good. I don't think that that's my best handwriting, so I'm going to take the time to erase and make sure that my E is very well constructed. That's much better. And then I put my pyramid around it. Remember, 3 times you're going to be writing the word see in a pyramid. All right, have a great rest of your day.